My father, I think he fancied himself quite a ladies' man. You know, he was telling me that he knew these other women, but my mother was very special. I mean, she indeed was a very beautiful woman and a very modest, and she was a very good wife for a writer with a big ego. Because my father, like, whether a Yiddish writer or not, artists have big egos, and you know, some of them, their egos sort of supersede their family life. My father was always a very devoted family man. You know, he always provided for his family, but every spare moment he had, he wrote. Well, it was just the sense of that he was a writer. He knew he was a good writer, and he probably felt that intellectually he was above many other people. I remember when Singer won the Nobel Prize, my father was very proud that a Yiddish writer was being honored, but he was very jealous. And I understand this was common among other Yiddish writers, that here was this one man who was getting it all. And my father used to say about Singer, I have more talent in my little finger than he has in his whole body. I know that he was very old-fashioned and I would say sexist in his views of women, because I know when he would get annoyed at his sisters, he would say weiberische Rede, you know, and he would get very, you know, impatient. I know I had arguments with him about equal pay for women, that they should get paid, and he said, well, what if they're doing the same work, but can they? You know, he was very old-fashioned. And, you know, the old saws about where are the famous women writers and where are the famous women composers.